In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Azure Portal. Whether you're managing resources for a business or exploring Azure for personal projects, accessing the portal is your first step. We'll break it down so it's easy to follow, making sure you can navigate through this process smoothly. To begin, open your favorite web browser and type in the URL http://portal.azure.com. Hit Enter, and you'll find yourself on the Azure sign-in page. This is where you'll need your Microsoft account. Depending on your setup, this could be a work, school, or personal account. Enter your credentials carefully, taking the time to ensure everything is correct, and then click the Sign In button to proceed. For those of you using multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short, the next step will sound familiar. This second layer of security is crucial for protecting your account. Azure might prompt you to verify your identity, and you'll need to complete this using your preferred method. You might have chosen an SMS, a phone call, or a notification from a mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. And remember, having MFA set up is a good practice for keeping your account secure. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself staring at the Azure Portal Home, also known as the dashboard. This portal is your window into the vast world of Azure, a unified web interface where all your Azure resources can be managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll likely see a range of options and features tailored to your needs, providing a comprehensive overview of your resources and subscriptions. If your account is associated with multiple Azure subscriptions or directories, sometimes called tenants, there's a helpful feature to manage these. At the top right corner of the portal, you'll notice your account menu. Click on it, and you'll see the option to switch between these subscriptions or directories. This ensures that you're working within the context of the correct resources, allowing for seamless management across various environments. I hope this guide has demystified the process of logging into the Azure portal. By following these steps, you can ensure swift and secure access to your resources on Azure, making your workflow more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring within the Azure ecosystem.